Alright, people, pulling up to the guard shack right now.
Morning, welcome to Costco Wholesale.
Alright, man. That guy's like in the military or something. The way he stood there and then he saluted me. He got all the military gear on, so he's definitely in the was in the military. And you see he got all his flags out here and everything. Got all his flags out here and everything. You know, I gotta go pull up and wait around to get unloaded. So I'm not going anywhere fast, people.
You're 115, you're the second truck around the back side of the building.
Alright, did you serve?
Yep, I'm finished.
Did you serve?
What?
Did you serve in the military?
No.
Okay.
My son's in.
Alright.
Never worked out for me either.
Yeah.
After they hit the towers, I went and started doing all the testing and stuff.
They
And
said
then Bush started talking about Iraq, and I'm like, fuck that. I'm fucking going to Iraq? What?
Alright, man. Alright, thank you. People, so we got our door, which is door 151. I gotta drive all the way around to the opposite side of the building from this side. Oh, it's a one-way. This road is weird. Driving on my side. Yeah, people, like I said, door 151. I gotta go all the way around to the other side of the building. Yeah, all the way around to the other side of the building, people. So normally they tell you not to drive close to the building, so I'm taking it around the edge. I mean, not around the edge, but you know where all they drop the trailers and cruise on around there. I'm surprised I got in and I'm going to a door right away. Normally you gotta wait. I guess these people are getting off work or something. I guess. Yeah, they're probably getting off work. See, this is a big old facility. Lots and lots and lots of trailers. I mean, Costco is a big company too, but it's not as popular as like a Walmart or something like that. Yeah, it is a big company. 151. I don't even see any numbers around here. seal number. Backing in. We're going out. Hold on, people. Confusion. I opened the door.